I'm Diane Hendricks, and welcome to Fresh to Frozen and Back. This show is going to make your life easier. In each episode, I show you how to prepare fresh meals using quality ingredients, how to freeze them properly, then defrost them and bring them back to table at a later date. This show is all about beans. Been there, done that. Beans are loaded with fiber and protein and are a good source of good carbohydrates, also packing some vitamins and minerals. So the first recipe I love. It's so delicious, super simple, and you're not gonna believe how yummy it is. Creamy white beans with spinach. And here's all you do. Okay, so I have a pan that I'm heating up, and I'm gonna use this delicious Cortijo Trifillas olive oil. It's a finishing oil, but if you're cooking very quickly and low and slow and adding a lot of ingredients, it's perfect. It adds an amazing flavor, nice and smooth and flavorful. So just a very little bit. And then we're just gonna throw the garlic in there. This is so good. It's super simple. So I have some minced garlic. We're just gonna heat that up just a little bit, just till it starts to get all aromatic and soft. So let's just get that cooking up, and then we're just gonna add the rest of the ingredients, and it's as simple as that. Okay, and this is it. So good. Again, it freezes great. At the end of this episode, I'm gonna show you how all of these bean dishes look frozen. Look at that. Creamy, delicious, and just very high in nutrients, low in calories, and absolutely yummy. You can take another hit of nutmeg on the top if you'd like. And you've got yourself a really, really nice dish. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this beautiful Cortijo olive oil. And that's all there is to it. You're gonna love it. When we come back, I'm just gonna show you how to make hummus at home. Just a classic hummus recipe.